If you're wondering which AutoCAD mice are worth your money, stick around. After we run through each product, I'll give you my personal take. Would I buy it or would I skip it? No fluff, just my honest opinion. Let's get into it. Logitech MX Master 3S. Listen, this thing is a productivity beast with its electromagnetic scroll wheel and fantastic sensor that works on any surface, even glass. Yeah, I tested it on my coffee table just to flex. The 8000 DPI sensor might seem like overkill for AutoCAD, but trust me, when you're working on detailed drawings, that precision comes in handy. Plus, those quiet clicks won't drive your coworkers insane. Would I buy it? Yes, because it's basically the Swiss Army knife of mice. It can connect to 3 devices simultaneously and has enough buttons to make your workflow smoother than butter. Logitech Lift. Okay, so imagine holding your mouse like you're about to fist bump your computer. That's what using this vertical mouse feels like, and surprisingly, it's not weird at all. The battery life is insane at 24 months with just one AA battery, but if you've got hands bigger than a teenager's, this thing might feel like trying to use a mouse made for ants. Would I buy it? Maybe if my wrist starts complaining about regular mice, but I definitely try it in store first because that 90-degree grip is an acquired taste. Razer Orochi 5 This little guy is like the travel-size shampoo of gaming mice. Compact, lightweight, and surprisingly capable with its 18,000 DPI sensor. It's perfect for AutoCAD work on the go, tracking smoothly even on those nasty hotel desk surfaces. But palm grip users should look elsewhere unless they've got tiny hands. Would I buy it? Yes, especially for mobile CAD work. It's like having a precision tool that fits in your pocket. Just don't expect to palm grip this thing unless you're a hobbit. Logitech G600. This absolute unit comes with 20 programmable buttons. Yeah, you read that right. And a third click button that basically doubles your button count. For AutoCAD work, it's like having your entire command list under your thumb, but damn, this thing is thick. It's definitely not winning any beauty contests with its chunky MMO design. Would I buy it? Yes, because having your entire AutoCAD command list at your fingertips is worth looking like you're piloting a small spaceship. SteelSeries Aerox 9, the lightest MMO mouse I've ever used at just 89 grams with a whopping 12 side buttons that work great for AutoCAD shortcuts. Finally, a mouse that doesn't feel like I'm lifting weights while drafting. The honeycomb design looks cool with RGB lighting, but damn, the sensor only goes up to 18,000 DPI, which is kinda weak for the price. And those side buttons are placed so far forward that unless you have giant hands, good luck reaching them all. Would I buy it? Maybe if you want a lightweight AutoCAD powerhouse and don't mind spending premium cash. Razer Basilisk 3. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of mice with 11 programmable buttons and a scroll wheel that automatically switches between tactile and smooth scrolling modes. Perfect for zooming through those massive CAD files. The ergonomic design feels great during long drafting sessions, but at 112 grams, it's definitely on the chunkier side. Would I buy it? Yes, it's a fantastic all-rounder for AutoCAD that won't break the bank. Logitech G600. This absolute unit has 20 programmable buttons and feels like it was secretly designed for AutoCAD, despite being marketed as an MO mouse. The G-Shift feature doubles your button commands, and at around 60 bucks, it's a steal, but the corded design and chunky weight might be a deal breaker for some people. Would I buy it? Yes, it's basically AutoCAD heaven and mouse form at a budget price. Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro. The ergonomic shape is comfy as hell, and at 63 grams, it's insanely light, plus that Focus Pro 30K sensor tracks perfectly even on glass. The downside, only 5 programmable buttons, which is pretty limiting for AutoCAD, and that price tag will make your wallet cry. Would I buy it? No. While it's an amazing mouse, there are better options with more buttons for AutoCAD work. Logitech MX Vertical. Look, I get it. Your wrist hurts from all that AutoCAD work, and this weird-looking shark fin promises to fix that with its 57-degree tilt design. After using it for a while, the ergonomics are actually pretty nice, but damn does it take forever to get used to. I kept knocking it over for the first week. Battery life is solid at around 4 months, and it's got decent precision with a 4000 DPI sensor, though that's nothing crazy by today's standards. Would I buy it? Maybe if your forearm feels like it's about to fall off from regular mice. 3D Connexion CadMouse Pro. This thing is built specifically for CAD work, and it's got this dedicated middle button that's an absolute game changer for CAD navigation, plus a smart scroll wheel that's buttery smooth. The 7200 DPI sensor is precise as hell, and the buttons are rated for 50 million clicks, which is great because we all know how much clicking CAD requires. The only real downside is that it's pretty heavy and the software can be a pain to configure. Would I buy it? Yes, it's literally made for CAD, and it shows in every feature. 3D Connexion Space Mouse Pro. This isn't just a mouse, it's like having a tiny joystick for your 3D models with 15 programmable buttons that make you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. The battery lasts about 2 months with regular use, and once you get past the learning curve, navigating through models becomes smooth as butter. Just don't rest your hand too heavily on it, or you'll find yourself lost in 3D space wondering which way is up. Would I buy it? Yes, despite the learning curve, it's a game changer for serious CAD work. Logitech G500 II. This bad boy comes with 11 programmable buttons and adjustable weights, making it feel like a Swiss Army knife for your computer. The sensor's crazy accurate up to 16,000 DPI, and the build quality is solid, though that scroll wheel sounds like a ratchet wrench when you're using it. It's technically a gaming mouse, but those extra buttons and precision make it surprisingly great for CAD work. Would I buy it? Maybe. It's a jack of all trades that's actually pretty damn good at most of them. Redragon M913 Impact Elite. Look, for 50 bucks, you're getting a wireless mouse with 16 programmable buttons that's actually decent for AutoCAD work. The side buttons are well placed and angled for easy reach without accidental clicks. The software is a pain to find and download, and if you've got smaller hands or use a claw grip, stay away from this chunky boy. Would I buy it? Yes, it's a solid budget option that gives you tons of programmable buttons without breaking the bank. Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite. This beast packs 17 buttons with a movable side panel that you can slide forward or backward to match your hand size, which is pretty damn clever for precise AutoCAD work. The IQ software feels clunky as hell, and the learning curve is steeper than my electricity bill. Would I buy it? Maybe if you've got large hands and don't mind wrestling with the software, it's actually a solid choice for the price. Razer Naga 5 Pro. This thing is basically 3 mice in one with its swappable side plates, and the new scroll wheel lets you customize every little detail down to how many steps it takes to complete one rotation. At 134 grams, it's heavier than my ex's emotional baggage, and the price tag might make your wallet cry. Would I buy it? Yes. Despite the weight and price, the versatility and customization options make it perfect for switching between AutoCAD and other applications. Cooler Master MM311. This little budget warrior weighs just 77 grams and comes with surprisingly decent software for the price. The sensor is older than dirt, with only 100 inches per second tracking speed, and it only works properly on a mouse pad. Try using it on your desk and the cursor won't move at all. Would I buy it? No. While it's cheap, the limited buttons and sensor limitations make it a poor choice for serious AutoCAD work. Razer Viper V3 Pro. Listen, this mouse is ridiculously light at 54 grams and has this fancy Focus Pro 35K sensor that works even on glass surfaces. Yeah, for when you're doing those late-night AutoCAD sessions on your coffee table, I guess. The side buttons are a bit mushy, and the shape is wider than its predecessor, but damn if this thing isn't precise for those pixel-perfect selections in AutoCAD. Plus, it has an 8000 Hz polling rate, which is complete overkill, but hey, bragging rights. Would I buy it? Yes, it's expensive as hell, but the precision and lightweight design make it perfect for long AutoCAD sessions. Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. This bad boy weighs 60 grams and rocks some fancy new Lightforce hybrid switches that feel way too stiff. Seriously, it's like clicking a brick compared to the Viper V3 Pro requiring 96 grams of force versus 68. The battery life is insane at 95 hours, and the Hero 2 sensor is stupid accurate, but the mouse feet are garbage out of the box, and the software might make you want to throw your computer out the window. Would I buy it? Maybe. The build quality is fantastic, but those stiff clicks might get annoying during long selection drags in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you pick the AutoCAD mice for you. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Links to all of these products mentioned in this video will be in the description.